Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to change the spark plugs on our Yamaha TDM 850 40X model. This is easy way how to change it the spark plugs on our Yamaha. It's that easy that kit can do so. So let's change it, but before that don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are using the spark plugs made by NGK. It's a model NPR8EA-9. Now back to work. Let's remove the fairing by unscrewing the 3 screws on our Yamaha fairing. As you can see on the picture, it's those 3. Here we unscrew and remove the side fairing. We recommend to do the left side as there is better access for both spark plugs. There is no need to remove the radiator or any other part, so if you have a 6mm Allen key, you will unscrew it very easily. While we took the Yamaha fairing off, it's time to squeeze our hands a little bit. Firstly, remove the ignition wires and visually inspect them for damage. Common size of fairing spark plugs wires includes a decrease in power, acceleration and fuel efficiency. It's recommended to change them when spotted damage or whenever your owner's manual recommends. So let's remove the spark plugs. You will need a spark plug socket, and in our case is 17mm range. This depends of your spark plug socket. Firstly, drop the spark plug socket in the hole and made it sit on the spark plug. When you loosen the spark plug on our Yamaha, and then it go easy turn with your fingers. If you have good spark plug socket, the spark will sit inside and it will come out with the socket. Once you successfully remove the spark plug, insert the new one into your socket. As we can see, reverse the process of removing it. Make sure you gently tighten the new spark plug. Follow the process on the second spark plug. Once you change both spark plugs, connect the spark plug wires. Reverse the process when refitting the fairing and don't forget to tighten the screw. Time to test it. Start your motorbike and have a safe journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you seen, subscribe to our channel. See you next time.